Hello everyone. I bet that you've heard at least once until now about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or about cryptocurrency in general. For sure, you've heard this on the news or heard on TV or radio. And even your friends and close people are talking about this. I'm also sure that when you've heard about huge amount of money made with this, you first thought there is a scam somewhere, but in the end, you're almost into trying this. This is the reason you've got to my course. I have to say from now, the very beginning, that crypto market is something you have to study and be very careful. You can really get big money or get bankrupt from it. Please stay put and listen carefully to this material as an introduction to the crypto. And my recommendation is that if you want to go further with cryptocurrency, study more and more before investing any money on it.